Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Tanu Singh Baghel, and in this video we will learn some important GK questions that are very important to our knowledge. So without wasting time, let's start. The first question is the first foreigner to invite India was. Right answer is Prasenajit. Second question is which language was used in the literature of the Sangam period? So Tamil language was used in the literature of Sangam period. Third is Lord Buddha was born in Lumbini. Next question, Buddhist historian Taranath belonged to. Right answer is Tibet. Next question is which is considered the Magna Carta of the Indian people? Answer is Queen Victoria's Proclamation. Next question, what newspaper was started by Annie Besant? Answer is New India. Next question is who was the real founder of Aligarh Muslim University? So Syed Ahmad Khan was the real founder of Aligarh Muslim University. Who was the alter ego of Tipu Sultan during the Treaty of Seringapatam? Right answer is Lord Dalhousie. Next question, who was the first Indian to crack the British Indian Civil Services examination for the first time in Indian history? Right answer is Satyendranath Tagore. Next question, who was the viceroy when the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? So Chelmsford is right answer. Next question, Champaran and Kheda Satyagraha were led by Mahatma Gandhi. Which book is written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? So Outline of History is written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He wrote this book. Which reformer was associated with Prarthana Samaj? Right answer is Atmaram Pandurang. Okay, next is who was the leader who made the famous objectives resolution in the Constituent Assembly? Right answer is Nawab Salimullah. Next question is who called Muazzam, that is Muazzam, what you would like to pronounce as Sahib-e-Khabar? Right answer is Kafi Khan. Next question, which Mughal rulers gave permission for collecting Chauth and Sardesh Mukhi on Maratha land to Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath? Right answer is Farooq Siyar. Next question, who was Nur Jahan's son-in-law? So Nur Jahan's son-in-law was Shahriyar. What is the main purpose of Brahmo Samaj? So main purpose of Brahmo Samaj is purify Hinduism and to preach monotheism. What are the legislative contributions of Raja Ram Mohan Roy? So abolition of sati. He abolished sati pratha. Next question is which committee and act are associated with the Sedition Act? So right answer is Rowlatt Committee. Which leader had given the term insensate waste on the burning of foreign clothes during the non-cooperation movement? So Rabindranath Tagore had given the term this. Next question is when was the non-cooperation movement started by M.K. Gandhi? So Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Next question is which event was the reason for the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement? Right answer is Gandhi's imprisonment. Which is the capital of India? So New Delhi is capital of India. It is very easy question. It is known to us also. Okay, which is also called the southernmost Himalayas? So Sivalix is also known the southernmost Himalayas. What is another name for Satyadris? So the Western Ghats. Where does Palk Strait lie? Palk Strait lie at India and Sri Lanka, between that. Okay. Which is the popular name for the Indian islands on the Arabian Sea? Lakshadweep Island is a popular name for Indian islands. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Aravalli Mountain. Next question is which pass links Srinagar to Leh? So Jojila Pass links. Okay. What is the imaginary line that divides India into almost two parts known as? Right answer is Tropic of Cancer is the imaginary line that divides India almost two parts. Where is Lake Loktak situated? Right answer is Manipur. Which place receives the highest rainfall in the world? Mausiram is that place which receives the highest rainfall in the world. What is the local name given to the summer vines in the northern plains? Right answer is Lu. Which place receives the highest rainfall? Which countries are separated by Durand line? So Afghanistan and Pakistan are that countries which are separated by Durand line. Where is India's permanent research station Dakshin Gangotri located? So it is located at Antarctica. Next question is, where is Duncan Pass located? Duncan Pass. So right answer is South and Little Andaman. Next question is, which cities are called twin cities? So right answer is Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Next question is, which state is called Sugar Bowl of India? So Uttar Pradesh is called Sugar Bowl of India. So in this video we have learned about some GK questions that are very important, I have told, for our competitive examination point of view. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end.